Hey, what's going on? This is Minister Gold. This is a mix it up tutorial. This tutorial will be on how to make a meme redeem. And basically the way this works is the chatter supplies a URL of a GIF or GIF, however you want to pronounce it. And then after that, they'll supply up to 6 words. Then it'll show a redeem. It'll show a meme on stream. So I'll give you an example. Okay. So I grabbed a GIF from Giphy.com, and I'm going to my channel redeem. I'm going to make a meme if I can find it. Ah, here it is. Okay. Okay. So first I provide the URL. Then this was the best stream ever. I'll hit enter. And then yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. I will say that I admit that this is not the best for mobile users. Mobile users can still do it, but it's more difficult because okay, so you have the Twitch app open on your phone, and then you have to press the home button on your phone to get out of the Twitch app. Twitch app will still have like a mini video on the mobile. Then they'll have to open up Chrome or whatever their browser is. They'll have to go look for a GIF, copy the URL, come back to Twitch, paste it in, paste their words, and then hit enter, or like send. Um, so that's a lot to do on mobile. So I'll admit to you that it's not the best for that. It's better if you're on desktop, but it's an idea for a redeem. If you have ideas that you want to happen, that would be really cool. Let me know, and I can try to make it. But this is the idea that I have for today. So let me show you how to make it. And if you want to make it, make it. If you don't, cool. Okay. Find videos like these helpful. Please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like these. If you want to talk with me about mix it up, gaming, life in general, um, or Twitch, please follow me on twitch.tv/ministergold. Okay, so let's go to mix it up. Let's go to, first of all, the version that we're on is 1.3.0.5. We'll go to Twitch channel points. And you're going to create new channel point reward. Make sure you are not at your max for channel point rewards. If you are, you'll have to go delete one before you create this one. And yeah, create it and mix it up. If you don't create and mix it up, you can't control it via mix it up. Let's see. So make a meme. Okay. Now the first thing you're gonna add is an overlay action. Add it. Set the action type to image. I set it to 10 seconds. You can change the duration if you want to. For the image path, it's going to be $arg1 text. That's just going to be the address of the GIF. I set my width to 1,000, but that's because something's kind of messed up with my overlays. You could probably settle for like half of that, like 500. Then your next two actions will also be overlay actions. You're going to set them both to text. Set the duration to 10. For the text, you'll set it to $arg2 colon for text. So it's putting arguments 2 through 4 at the top. For the position, so first off, for the size, I put it to 128. Again, you could probably make it half of that. For the color, I put it as white. For the position, I kept the X at 50. It's on the percentage type for the position, and 25 for the Y position. And then for the lower text, it's going to be, again, the text for the type of overlay action. Duration is 10. Text is $arg5:7 text. That'll give you arguments 5 through 7. So the first argument is the URL. Second through fourth is the first 3 words. 5 through 7 is the last 3 words. So first 3 words go on top, and last 3 words go on the bottom of the meme that you're making. Again, font size is 128, but you could probably make it half that size. Position, again, it's going to be set to 50 for X. Again, the position type is percentage. And then for the position from the top, I set it to 70. I did see that it was overlapping, so you might be able to make it like 75 for the Y position. And that is pretty much it. That's how you make a meme redeem. Okay, so yeah, let me know what you thought about that. And yeah, again, if you have any ideas for things you'd like to make with Mix It Up, whether they're commands, redeems, or other things, please let me know, and I'll try to make it if you have something in mind. But yeah, thank you for watching. Again, if you'd like to talk to me about Mix It Up, Twitch, gaming life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/miniaturegold, and you like and subscribe if you like videos like these. And take it easy.